Hey, Ami. I bet that Tamiko looks like that freaky shut-in is praying or something. The security here was pretty tight, but nothing we couldn't handle. Yeah, you tell her, Ami. Benevelina Matarasu, I've been waiting for you. And assuming the traveling artist, you too, of course. Hey, how'd you know our names? Anyway, first things first. You knew about that funky mist and the water dragon, didn't ya? You've got some explaining to do. Tell us what you're up to. My people, my poor people, suffering torments me. Sickened by this mist, terrorized by the water dragon. The cries of their pain wash over me like a torrent. We know what's going on. You're tormenting the people of this city. You must be a monster feeding off their ill and little degenerates. Now stop stalling and raise this grimy old curtain. Come on, show yourself, you old hag. Soon, your words are very harsh, but you are right. It was rude of me to hide my face from you. Benevelina Matarasu, I, Himiko, the ruler of Saiyan City, offer my most sincere apologies.